Hey everybody, Ralph here with another video. I just had an interesting little exchange with Andrea Waltz today on X that reminded me of where I used to be when I first got started in online affiliate marketing. And the tweet that got my interest was this: Andrea Waltz, you don't need a new tool, CRM, or pipeline hack. You need the courage to hear no and keep asking anyway. Andrea is a co author of the book Go for No, which teaches you how to get sales by essentially just not being afraid of hearing the word no, getting your courage up, and just talking to people, talking to lots of people. And while you're talking to people, if you don't feel comfortable talking to them in the first place, after you've been doing it a while, you start to get the hang of it. You start to feel a little bit more comfortable doing it. And it's a great way to start getting leads free. And I answered her back. Great point, Andrea. So many new marketers think they have to buy expensive tools and systems to get leads and sales. Actually, you just need the courage to talk to the right people and ask. And her answer was completely easier to find solutions out there. And I mean, this is important for new marketers to know because when you first get started on X or on especially Facebook, Facebook is probably the worst. When you first make your appearance as an entrepreneur, online marketer on Facebook, the first people you will be hearing from are not the people that want to buy your offer. They are the people that are selling leads, SEO, and other systems that want you to buy their stuff. And a lot of these people can be pretty darn persistent. And once they pick up that you're a beginner, they're going to be telling you you've got to buy leads if you want to make sales. And that is utter and complete hogwash. You don't have to buy a darn thing to make sales. You just have to be willing to talk to the right people and ask, hey, do you want to take a look at what I do? Do you want to take a look at my offer? Talk to them first to find out, do they have a need for what you have to offer? And then if it feels like they do, then politely ask, hey, I've got something that might help. Would you like to take a look? And if they say no, fine, go on to the next person. But you got to develop the courage to be able to talk to strangers, get to know them a little bit first, talk to the strangers. If they have a problem that you can help solve, present your opportunity. But first ask if they'd like to see it. And I mean, this is so much better. You can spend like $500 a month or $500 a week buying leads and get nowhere with it. Or you can just go out there and talk to people and start getting somewhere for free. And in our Home Business Academy, we have trainers who teach you how to get leads for free, how to go out there and just start talking to people, and how to start getting leads for free. Yes, we also teach you how to get paid leads, but we like to start people off by teaching them how to get those free leads. So if you'd like to take a look at what I do, check for my link down below. Be happy to talk to you. This is Ralph signing out. Have a great day. Remember, get out there and talk to people if you're in business, because if you don't, you won't be in business for very much longer. Have a good one. Bye-bye.